I know, isn't that cute? Do you know your hot water is going? Do you still need this?
We need to make brown waffles.
That would be fun.
Look at the box compared to this. It's
Like-
so teeny.
Oh, you think this looks big?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be bigger.
It's first thing Monday morning. Joel and I and Lincoln are going to rush over to the house. We have some contractors that we are meeting there first thing. So Lincoln, you gotta hurry and get dressed so you can come with us. And you kids, we've got to get off to school. Hey, that's my water. That's my measured water to make sure I drink enough.
Too bad.
We're on the way to the house and the sky is so pink. Look how beautiful that is. Look how pretty. It is like an orange pink. Lincoln, does it come to work with Mommy and Daddy Day? Or at least until kindergarten starts? Yep. Lincoln, our countertops are here. Oh, that looks so good.
We have countertops! Hey, we got countertops.
We have door handles.
Now it's locked. And we're in the master.
Oh, and kids always ruin that moment.
It's supposed to be locked out. It's supposed to be locked out.
Are you okay? Oh my word, Link. We have had this pile of lights sitting in this room. They have been shifting from room to room.
Yes,
they started
everywhere in this house.
They started in my family room at home. They ended up over here in the closet. They've moved into this hallway closet, and now they are sitting here and they are finally ready to go to their final resting place.
And what's in here is the worst thing to have on a demolition project.
Fragile glass lights.
Yeah, I've been paranoid forever, but I'm ecstatic to finally start opening them up.
We are going to start in my most favorite room of the house. As much as I want to do this one next, it's going to take some intricate work. So we're gonna come back to this one. We're gonna move on. We're gonna come back to my favorite one above the tub. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait to put this above the dining room table.
Don't let it hit your face.
Okay. I'll try not to let it hit the moneymaker. Gorgeous light. Oh! Gorgeous light.
I'll let it down.
You sure?
Nice and slowly.
I'll tell you who else is gorgeous, Joel. You good. You handsome. You was kind. You was polite. Oh, Joel.
She's a cutie, huh?
She's a cutie. She's a cutie. That is the cutest laundry room light. Look at that thing. Do you love it?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. So perfect for the laundry room. It looks so cute with the black doorknob. Look how cute she is from a distance. I'm dead. I really like the lights above the countertop, don't you?
Do you like the spacing?
I do.
That's something we were worried about a little bit.
Yeah, I really do. I like that a lot. I'm not going to lie, I genuinely feel like the best part of this house is the lights.
Oh, you mean this guy?
I mean, I really do. I really do.
That's a pretty light for dinner and for, I don't know, I like the mood that it sets.
Yeah, so Joel and I were talking about the differences in lights. We have a few bulbs we need to change, but Joel and I were talking about how the canned lights are really good for during the day, and I feel like these warmer lighting, like the warmer lights, are good for more of like the mood lights. Do you know what I mean? Like in the evening when you don't want noonday lights on you. Check out the bathroom. Look at the light above the tub. I mean, I might be biased, but that thing is incredible. All of these lights came from Lamps Plus. I will have every single one of them listed in the description for you guys if you're interested in any of these lights. I can't. They genuinely are the most exciting part of the house. Something that I've noticed as Joel has been putting these together is that this has the option to be a non-hanging, so you don't have to use this gold piece right here. That's just extra. And they have the possibility to add even more. So if you have a really tall space, you can, you know, add more length. I can hold that.
Sorry.
No, it's great. Or you don't have to have any length at all. And that was how all of these lights have been, which is a really nice option. You have got to be kidding me with this one. Joel, that is gorgeous. Wow. I'm slightly jealous, if I'm being honest. I really do. It's so pretty.
Ready?
I am beyond ready. Ooh, she's cute. Joel was oogling over the wiring. He's like, this is a nice light.
Very nice light.
Joel is going to continue working on the bathroom lights. I just want to say thank you to Lamps Plus for partnering with me on this video. I swear to you, the lighting is what sets this house apart from any other house that's on the market for sale right now. It's the lighting. If you want to upgrade your living space at all, the lighting is the way to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys. Every single one of these in my own house. They're so freaking bomb.
I love the way those look.
Oh, that is such a cute light. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, this is so cute.